China's mosquito-sized spy drone, the future of surveillance. Imagine a mosquito flying past you. Now imagine it's not an insect but a camera. Yes, China has developed a drone so small, it's the size of a mosquito, and it's already changing the future of surveillance. What is the mosquito-sized drone? This ultra-small drone, often called a nano drone or micro-insect drone, is designed to mimic real flying insects. It's not science fiction, it's real military-grade technology. Weighing less than 35 milligrams, this flying robot can quietly enter a room, record audio and video, and leave without anyone noticing. It's small enough to fit on your fingertip, just like a real mosquito. Key features and size details. Let's break down what's inside this tiny flying robot. Wings, ultra-thin synthetic wings that flap like real insect wings using micro-actuators. Camera, microscopic lens installed in its head, capable of capturing HD video. Microphone, built-in sound sensor to record conversations and ambient sound. Processor, nano chip that uses artificial intelligence for navigation and decision-making. Battery, a nano lithium-ion cell that can power the drone for up to 6-8 minutes of flight. Size, less than 1 inch long, about the size of a small mosquito or housefly. Weight, around 25-35 mg depending on the model. Control, can be remotely operated or pre-programmed using AI algorithms. Real use cases. This technology is already being tested for multiple applications. Military surveillance in enemy zones, where large drones can't go. Spy missions inside buildings, offices, and even crowds. Scientific research in forests and ecosystems to observe small animals or insects. Domestic security, hidden surveillance in sensitive government buildings. Border monitoring, covert patrols in high-risk regions. Dangers and ethical concerns. But here's the darker side. Such microdrones can be used for illegal spying, invading personal privacy, and breaching national security. If this technology falls into the wrong hands, terrorists, hackers, or rogue states, the consequences could be devastating. That's why governments around the world are racing to create laws to regulate such nano-scale tech. The future of nano drones. In the next 5 to 10 years, we may see nano drones in medical field for internal body scans, smart homes for micro-inspections, space exploration inside narrow or fragile environments. But the question remains, will humans use this power for protection or for control? Technology has no ethics. The people who use it do. What do you think? Is this mosquito drone the future of defense or the end of privacy? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech stories.